Today I'm going to be talking about how you can open up Office documents such as Excel, Word, PowerPoint using the Office app that comes pre-installed with Windows 10 computer or Windows 10 operating system. You don't need to purchase the app, and if you have an Microsoft account such as Live, Outlook, or Hotmail back in the time, you're able to log in to your OneDrive and to the Office app to get it working. So to get started in here, all you need to do, you go and click Start, and then you just type the Office. It will come up as here by default, and just click Open. And then you just have to click Sign in. If you don't have a Microsoft account, feel free to create a new one to show you that you'll be able to log in, and it will give you 5 GB of storage within OneDrive. So click Sign in my case because I have an account, and I'm going to click Continue on my Hotmail account. It's not asking me for my password. In your case, if you're first time logging in, it will ask you for your password. Just put your password in, and then don't pin. It's up to you if you want to pin it. I'm not going to pin the Office to the taskbar. In here, all you need to do is to go also and get to OneDrive. Here, the 5th option, and then as you can see in the left taskbar, you've got Word, Excel, PowerPoint, even Outlook. So if I click on the OneDrive here on the left side, it will ask me for my email. I'm going to click Sign in. And this is just to sign into your OneDrive, so that it gives you the 5 GB of storage. Then you click Next. I'm going to say Accept. I'm going to click Next again. Use this folder, just leave it as default. Then click Next again. Then click Next. Click Next. And then just click Later for the mobile app. And then X out this window. You don't need to open the OneDrive. So as you can see, now we're logged into both. We're logged into the Office app, which is the web version of Office, and we're logged into OneDrive as well. So the first thing to do is I'm going to minimize this app right now because we signed in. I'm going to go to the File Explorer, and I'm going to go to my OneDrive here on the left side in the File Explorer, and I'm going to go to my desktop. And as you can see, I have an Excel file called Book One. Similar to here, also I have Book One. I mean, it's the same file, but it's just because it's synced here to OneDrive. So I'm going to right click on this Book One file and just click View Online. Don't open it up because in my case I have Office installed. I'm not going to open that with my desktop app. I'm going to use the web app, okay, because I'm thinking in your case you don't have Office. So I'm going to click View Online, and it will attempt to open up the file in the Excel version in the online site. And as you can see, it opened up the file right away in Excel. And you're able to actually even, let's say if I want to delete this, I'm able to delete that. And I'm able to also add new stuff too. And let's say if I'm done with, just editing this file, I can also save. It will auto save in the OneDrive. As you can see here, it says save to OneDrive, but I'm able to also save it to my desktop or to my computer. So I'm going to click Save As, and I'm going to go download a copy of this computer, and it will download it to my downloads folder, as you can see. So in here, if I go to the File Explorer and go to the downloads folder, I would find the file that I just created. And if I go right click on it and say, in this case, it's not on OneDrive right now. If I move it to OneDrive, I'll be able to open it up from here and say View Online, and it will open up the new update that we just did together. So we will have all these kind of files and the things that we deleted. So pretty cool feature. You could use Office for free in the web version. Hope you like this video, guys. If you do, kindly give it a thumbs up, share it with your colleagues and people.